Hello everyone, you are watching Code with Heather. Welcome back to the Jira tutorial series. In the last episode, we talked about Jira instances, cloud and server. Now it's time to go practical. Before we start, here's what we will do in this video. We will create a Jira Cloud account using the official Atlassian website. Then we will choose Jira software because that's the one used by developers, QAs and project managers. We will set up our site name, skip the optional steps like inviting teammates because we will discuss that in upcoming video in the next episode. So let's start. First of all, we will go simply click on Jira, click on this Atlassian website's link. Now, as I'm recording this video in uh, October 2025, so the dashboard and the website UI changes with the passage of time. Previously, we used to select only software. As we already discussed that we will use the software, Jira software here. But here, as you can see, there are many other options available like operations, HR, marketing, design, and sales. And here's one thing, uh, as you can see, all teams, that all these features you can use in a single, this one, all teams Jira. I will use all teams here, and if because we are just going through these tutorials and I have to explain you different things, so I will be selecting all teams. But if you only want to handle your project operation, so you can simply click on software and then you can proceed from here. So I'll simply click on sign up with Google, with click on my account, and there you go. Now you will be asked to choose a site name. This is like your workspace address. For example, if you write um, Heather Team, your Jira site will be heatherteam.atlassian.net. Make sure it's something simple and relevant, like your name, team name, or project name. This is the link you will use to log into Jira later. So click on continue. So what kind of work do you do? So I will click on software development, product management, design, operational. So software development, run sprints, work in Scrum, prioritize work, track bugs, many tasks. You can click as per your need. You can select any of these options. So to make things more clear, I will select all of them. So here is your my first project. It will ask you to input the name of your project. So I will click on get started, task, story, features, request, bug. So how do you track work to do? Yeah, this is what these there will be different columns like to do, in progress, in review, done. You can add more here like uh, done, and I will click type rename it as closed. So as you can see here, another column is generated. So you can modify them as per your need. So I'll click on finish. And congratulations, you have successfully created your account and your first project. You will now be taken to your Jira dashboard. It's where all that real action happens. As you can see, there are different dashboard options like summary, backlog, boards, code. It's a very useful thing. You can directly click on your connect your GitHub, GitLab, and Bitbucket here. There are many other options available, but we will explore them in the upcoming videos. We have forms here. Here is our first project. You can add people from here. We will discuss it in details in the upcoming video in the next episode. So that is it for today's episode. So you learned how to create a Jira account step by step. You can choose Jira software while creating the account. I clicked on all the teams, I selected all teams, so I can explain more things to you. Um, so in the next video, we will take a full tour of Jira's interface, like what all these things are, like summary, backlog, board, code, timeline. We will discuss all these features in the upcoming video. So if you found this useful, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for the upcoming practical sessions. Take care. Bye.